Hi guys. In this video we're going to cover how to denote or apply holographic effects to your artwork when submitting for final print approval and pre-production, pre-press work. A lot of people include notes on the side, or they use the same panels they use for ink to show it's holographic, and that's fraught with error. In front of you is how we set up most of our designs here at CarePack. We use a 3-up kind of print pre-press proof because it helps people catch errors, specifically typographical spelling errors. You might have seen proofs where it's laid out exactly as print, so you'd have front, bottom, and back, but the back then is inverted, and we found people don't catch as many errors when they're proofing their files. So we use a 3-up standpoint. You could do this as well with a different type of proof layout, but this is what works for us. So if you're going to apply holographic effect, you're going to create a new layer. Off to the right here, I've already pre-created these layers. One of them I'm calling holographic. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how we remove the layers we were dealing with, bring up the holographic layers. Now off to the side in this proof, we would have denoted what colors mean what. So pink is the color that's a stand-in for non-holographic areas, and we're using silver for those holographic areas. You will need different layers for any kind of spot finishes you're using, metallized effects, and the actual ink layer itself. You have to have different layers, otherwise it gets too complicated and you risk a lot of errors with that. So here, areas that don't have pink applied are going to be holographically metallized effect. Pink areas are not going to have that. One step further, to be more precise, you could also send us layers that show white ink base location. Here, teal equals white ink base and white is devoid of white ink base. Unlike some paper printing, if you printed metallized inks on paper, you apply white ink base to areas you want to metallize. With plastics, it's the exact opposite. White ink base is used to obscure metallization or corona treatment, any kind of metallization or holographic effect. So you'll need to have white ink base where you do not want it to appear. Holographic effect, iridescent effects can be utilized with ink, like they're doing in this design, where if I was to pull up the designs again, they're applying holographic metallization to areas that have a lot of ink on them. But the more ink or finish that you apply to those areas, the less vibrant the iridescence holographic effect will be. So keep that in mind. If you're looking for a powerful bit of holographicness, you want to not have any ink on it and you want a gloss finish. If you're going to be applying a matte finish or a soft touch finish, those are going to dull or deaden how much holographic effect comes through, because it reduces the amount of refractive light that can hit the treated areas of the design. So hope that helps. In closing, to help you out, remember, always put white ink base, holographic effects, or finishes as separate layers of your design files so that we can make sure we pull those out and those plates and that work occur separately from the ink plates that you see in front of you. Hope that helped. You can always ask us any questions and we're happy to help you out. Take good care.